Hi everyone, Luke from Hotwire here in our frequently asked questions series on underfloor heating. One question we are asked quite regularly is, can underfloor heating go in a shower? Well, one of the features of underfloor heating is because it warms the floor, it dries the floor. So there's less mold, less cleaning, and all that water gets dried out. So it is actually a great idea to run the heating element under your shower area as well. That being said, it does depend on how your bathroom is being constructed. If you're using under tile heating, it is quite difficult to get into the shower because there's generally water stops and other reasons why, from a construction point of view, we generally can't get into the shower if you're using under tile heating. If you were using in screed heating, where the element is buried deeper in the floor, we can get under any of those obstructions I just talked about and heat the whole area really nicely for you. So in summary, it's actually a great idea to go into the shower. If you're using under tile heating, it is a little bit difficult. If you're using in screed heating, we can probably make it happen for you. So as always, we can't wait to help you get Hotwire.